But we're just trying to switch on the screen, and it won't switch on. I'm just waiting for the IT technician.
Is he here, the technician?
Yeah, he's on the way, man.
Just tell me this evidence of a state income, when the state, when the affidavit was handed up, that's exhibit 01. When was it? Can you give me the date?
Sure. Well, I think we'll have to check the record. I know it was in August.
You said it's August last year.
Yes.
So what's the problem?
It was in August. I'll have to check the record. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was the 23rd of August.
Last year?
Yes.
And you say it was handed up as exhibit 01?
Yes, indeed, my lord. So what's also put in these things?
Sorry.
So it's
Are you not able to zoom in on the records on the 23rd of August, 2023? Just do that. Because that will be the simplest. August, the 23rd of August, 2023.
The IT technician will be here any moment, sir.
Hello, was it?
Say the IT technician will be here any moment. Just quickly trying to check Exhibit O.
You find it? Hello?
No.
What do you mean no? You can't reverse that machine.
It can be just
So?
it doesn't show the case number. I'm trying to finish for using this logic.
Oh, it doesn't show this code. It means we're that side, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. But you have the record there anyway.
We do have the recording.
It won't have any sound.
We will need to get the speaker.
Speaker. Okay.
It is on the screen, my lord.
Yeah, but let's see the front of the document.
The first page.
Yeah, the first page. Because maybe it's not Stain's affidavit.
There's the first page.
Is that the first page? Brigadier, can you stand there and read that document right up to where you say there is a link between accused number 3 and Ms. Kelly Kumar?
The entire document?
Yeah, because I don't want us to be told that I'm colluding with you. Just read it from where it starts up to the place where you find it. Stand next to the screen there.
All right, my lord. So the statement reads as follows. Lambertus Steyn declares under oath. I, number 04036118, there's a person number, my lord, I'll leave it. am a colonel in the South African Police Service and in service of the state. I am attached to the National Cold Case Investigation Unit based in Pretoria, National Head Office, and acted as an analyst and investigation officer. I have been attached my current position since 2021, but before to the Priority Crime Management Center, open bracket PCMC-DPCI, close bracket, since 2009 as an analyst. I have up to date analyzed in excess of about 2,000 cases. As part of my duties, I am required to analyze analysis information obtained from cellular phones, namely incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs, after the information was retrieved by the DPCI phone downloaders. Also, I received cell phone information from investigation officers about the phone data which been received from the service providers. I combine the phone downloads and the information from the service providers to provide a court-ready analysis picture. As part of my daily task, I testify on regular basis in courts in South Africa. I've successfully completed the analyst notebook course during 1999 and received in-service training. I have knowledge of XRY program and MS Office. I've successfully completed the following courses: VTech, Policing in UNISA, open bracket, Kamlode, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, my lord, I want to say it wrong. Analyst notebook, V4 1999 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. iBridge User 1 course 2002 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. iBridge User V1 Analysis Notebook V6 Upgrade course 2003 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. I2 Analysis Notebook V2 Update 2008 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V7 Upgrade 2009 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 TechChat and Chat Explorer, and IXA 2009 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V8 Update 2009, Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V9 Upgrade 2017 by Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. Analysis Investigation Methods 2014 by Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. Crime Information Management and Analysis course, Design Skill Development Workshop for Crime Intelligence, Financial Authorized Officer, Authorized LVA Operator, open bracket level 1, close bracket, my lord. Intelligence Analysis, open bracket, ANECPA Science, close bracket, INC, close bracket, Inquasi Systems, Research Methodology course, I-based Circulation System, Crime Detection Management course, open bracket, National Intelligence Module, Risk Assessment Techniques, SWOP, Pestello, Crime Pattern Analysis and Problem Solving module, close bracket, Financial Intelligence course, WINDID, open bracket, Information System, close bracket, Resolving of Crime, Skill Program 5A, my lord, Basic Spatial Analysis, open bracket, TomTom, close bracket, Crime Intelligence course, Advanced Cross Fundamental Analysis. Paragraph 3. In order for the analyst notebook program to read information correctly, certain information must be edited. For example, analyst notebook does not recognize zeros as the beginning of a number. So all zeros that is removed, open bracket 07867624445 is converted to 787624445, and then 2277867624445, close bracket. The 27 being added allow the A and B program to link the international numbers. All common numbers is removed that will give false link with another. Phone, open bracket 100, 1011, 121, close bracket. All dialing prefixes are removed, open bracket, plus S, 1, S, etc., close bracket. The conversion of the data does not involve the manipulation of the data. I then use the analyst notebook program to draw an analysis notebook chart of the information. I also place all the cell phone data information which was received from the service provider on one combined Excel spreadsheet for code purposes. I hand in as part of my statement a copies of the different charts. The chart shows associates of data received and messages on cell phone downloads. On 9 April 2020 at about 10:00, I received a CD section 205 of cell phone downloads from the investigation officer Brigadier uGininda with information about the following targets. 1, Kelly Kumalo. During the analysis, I identified the following numbers which belongs to Kelly Kumalo. There's an ID number mentioned them a lot, which I cannot prove via links. with family, friends, XDS, open bracket, expect decision systems, central database reference, police crime administration system, e-notice, and Truecaller, which I can prove, sorry, not that I cannot, which I can prove via links, my lord. So then it says contact numbers, then it says bureau update, the date is 2018-0501, then it says home, the number is 011-8831, there's a number there, my lord, maybe let me not go to it. And then the next date is 2017-0503, cellular phone, it's highlighted, but there's a cell phone number there, my lord. The next date is 2017-0408, another cell phone number, also highlighted in red. Then there's 2017-0328. It's work. There's a number there also mentioned there, my lord. It's a landline. 2015-0228. It's a cellular phone. It's listed there. It's one of the cell phones of Ms. Khumalo. It's been placed on record. This one I can read on record, my lord. It's 072-938-2498. That is the runaway phone, so it's already on record. Then it's 2015-01. 2015-0121. Looks like it's 21. Then it says home, my lord. The number is listed. Then 2012-0827. It's a cellular phone. It's highlighted in red, my lord. Then there's 2011, October the 19th, another cell phone highlighted in green. Yes. Let me just see. Yeah, I think this one, my lord, it's her second number. I can place it on record because it's on record. The 082 number 7044358 belongs to Ms. Kelly Khumalo. The other one, then it's 011, October the 19th, it's work, there's a number. 011-0913, also work, there's a landline number, my lord. And then 2009-0121, there's a home number, it's also listed. Then it carries on reading, my lord. The following extraction out of XDS to trace the following numbers of Kelly Khumalo: 2779-494-8773, 2008, of May 07. Users contact number as per Rosebank, case 1 of June 2007, theft general victim. The number again, 27733-88670, 2017-0503. Another number, 27614-562-104, date 2017-0408. Then another number, 2711-883-1447, 2017-0328. Another number, my lord, 2772938-2498, date 2015-0128. Then there's also a landline, my lord, 2711-413-1179, 2015-0128. Then 2773-451501, 2002-0827. Then 27827444358, 2011, October the 19th. Users contact number is per Honeydew 1073 of 10/2011. Assault common victim. Sorry, just go back there. My apologies, yes, my lord. Used as contact number is per Honeydew case 1075 of October 2011. Assault common victim. Used as contact number is per Douglas date 65 of December 12, meaning 2009 intimidation victim. Then there's 2711431179, 2011-0913, that's the date, my lord. Then 2761-4562-104, 2761-456-2104, non-Tantla Kelly Khumalo, XDS 2017, also on Posh registration papers, Kelly Khumalo, 2761-4562104, Truecaller app, 2761-4562104, Nonike, open brackets, Kelly Khumalo, bookings, close bracket. Then it says check record information, following links to this number is babe 27814839880, Silo Twala, open bracket, Truecaller, Silo Chico Twala, close bracket, 277850281113, Sibia, open bracket, Truecaller, General Sibia, secret, close bracket, 277270888175, Silo Twala at Chico, open bracket, Sebastian Hill, open bracket again, Chico Twala, close bracket, 277467666669, Zandi Khumalo, Truecaller, Zandi Khumalo, close bracket, 2773792992, Truecaller, open bracket, true caller, Zandi Kumalo, close bracket. Then it's 2783968778 Precious. And Mampri, looks like Mampri Malot, open bracket, true caller, Precious, Tau, close bracket. Tumelo, Owen, Kujane, 277350888099, open bracket, true caller, Tumelo, Kujane, close bracket. The friend of Kelly before and after the murder. Number is still in use by Kelly because common links as follows. Common links between all the numbers, musical linkages to prove the following attached section 205 links play Kelly, date 2021-01-19. So the links, I think you have to make them broader. My lord, if they can just make the links broader for me to read the numbers on top. Yeah, on the spider web. No, it's not clear. I can see Skelu Kumalo, but the numbers are not visible. The first one.
Is that a chart of Kelly Kumalo's numbers?
Yes.
They were communicating with.
Yes, my lord.
Other
But
persons.
indeed, my lord. But the one that is relevant to this exercise is on page 41.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
So you can go to page 41 now because
Yes.
there's insinuation that this document may be forged.
Yes.
After what we have read, I'm satisfied that that document is the same one I listened to in August last year.
Yes.
So you can go to page 41.
Yes, my lord.
You have
Right.
substitute. In my view, I was excoriated that I'm descending into the arena. I'm colluding with the state, in other words.
Now,
There's no document like that.
now page 41, my lord.
Yeah, let's go to page 41.
Yes, yes, we are here, my lord. And it says links between target. On top, my lord. And this is the briefing, like I said, I was briefed by Kenneth Stein, and this is what he showed me. So links between target. On top, it's Kelly Kumalo. The number is 278270444358. The next person, it's 277333059202. The name that is linked to them, my lord, is Fiso Kahle Ntuli Etinkani. There's an ID number mentioned there, 8601105612086. Then underneath that is still the number 277330599202. Name Fiso Kahle Nkani, Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then on the right, I'll move straight to the right, my lord, is Mtobisi Gala Ngube, number 277276681169. Then Cleveland Case 9622015 as Carlos. If you go underneath it, let me just deal with it, my lord. Underneath it again is still 277276681169. Mtobisi Prince Ngube at Carlos. Underneath it again, my lord. So yeah, that's the second one. Then if you go to the right, my lord, it's Mfana Kumalo at the name save as Carlos phone. The number is 277239957787. And then the other number is 277239955787. Fiso Kahle Nkani, Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then underneath that, my lord, it's let me give it this way. Then if you go to your left, my lord, then it's still Fiso Kahle Ntuli at Nkani. The number is 2776973576. Further up on the left, still again, my lord, it's number 277248200045. The name is Muzika Ukulelwa Sitemba Sibia at Muzi, that NDO, and then it says section 205. Then going down, my lord, still it's and after the first, the direct line from the top, my lord, it's Nkani at 2766427007, Fiso Kahle Ntuli at Nkani. And then underneath that, my lord, it's also 27766427000, Fiso Kahle Nkani, Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then there underneath, my lord, on the left, maybe let me just go straight down with the line, my lord. It's still Sifiso Kahle Ntuli at Nkani, 277130299173. And then it says Reggie. Then to the left is Pumlani Reggie Mjali, 277303373771. Then towards the right, my lord, it's Sitemba Sibia at Muzi. The number there, my lord, is 2779317993. No, so it's 277937900137. Then lastly on the right, my lord, it's Bongane Sandison Tanzi. then it's 176090168990. Underneath that also 278090168990 section 205. So that is the chart, my lord. So when I was saying there's a link, I was referring to this. And what is proper, my lord, to put the proper context, because I want to put this into proper context, because I do not know whether it is misunderstood or I don't know, because I tried to explain this concept that at no stage I said there was a communication, and I'm not there's a misunderstanding, because when we got to these issues of the links, my lord, it was arising from the cross-examination by Mr. Ramsey, who took me to my statement A227, and he was taking me through each and everything that I wrote, my lord. Now, this issue of the link came as a result of this paragraph in page 3.6 of my statement. Mr. Ramsey placed it on record, and he read it, it was on place on record, where it says, investigation further revealed that she is linked, and that is now Ms. Kelly Kumalo, she is linked to the actual perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. I never said communication, linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 4. 3 and 5, beg your pardon, my lord, 3 and 5. Now, out of this, Mr. Ramsey then asked, what are the links that links accused number 3 to Ms. Kelly Kumalo? I then explained that the first link that I'm aware of is the common see-through bag between herself and accused 3 and subsequently Mr. Longo Kumalo. But then I said there is another link that I'm aware that can explain briefly on. When I was asked what is it in context, I said I'm not expecting that to that, and I will not go except that there is a link, and this is a link I was referring to. So the assertion that I said there was a communication, I don't think that's accurate, my lord.
Bengikhuluma ngalokhu ke onke lamanamba esengwafundileke lana ukusuka phezulu ke uKelly Khumalo nokuthi obani ayexhumana nabo amagama abhaliwe kanye futhi ke namanamba abhaliwe manje ke konke lokhu ubuye kumbuzo ebenguhlonywe uyena ke uMr. Ramusipile kwiviki eliphelile uma engibuza ke ngestatement sami ku3.6 ukuthi ke la afunde khona ke ukuthi uphenyo ke lwaseluveza ke ukuthi uyahlanganiswa ke nabo abenzi baso lesigameko lesi isigameko sokubulala ngokuthi ke kukhona ukuhlanganisa ngomakhalekhukhwini futhi ke lokhu kumxhumanisa nomsola wesithathu kanye futhi nowesihlanu angikaze ngisho ukuthi kwakhona ukukhuluma ngathi nje ngatshela uyena ke uKenneth Stein ukuthi kwakhona nje ukuhlanganisa hayi ukuthi kwaba khona ukuxhumana noma kwaba khona ukukhulumisana phakathi kwabo bengikhuluma ngakho ke lokhu.
And lastly, my lord, what I will request, as we'll be embarking obviously in the cross-examination with Advocate Nisi, is that we treat each other with a cordial respect. When Advocate Nisi speaks, I do not interject. So I took exception as and when I was asked a question by the court to respond to, and then there was an interjection, and at some stage Mr. Nisi said, answer the court. I view that with a sign of disrespect, and I've not given, I've said that before, my lord, I've not given any indication of disrespect to Advocate Nisi, and I'm requesting that we maintain the decorum of this court, because if I go to that level, where it's letting me, my lord, too, there will be no respect. So I'm asking with greatest respect, my lord, that we maintain the respect to each other. He can pose questions, he will get all the answers that he needs, but with respect, which is cordial. What I give to him, I expect the same in return, my lord.
Ngizocela ke nanjengoba sizoqhubeka ke naye uadvocate umnisi ukuthi ke ezohloma imibuzo ngizomphendula ke yonke imibuzo ke kodwa ke ngizocela ukuthi sibe nako ke ukuhloniphana ngoba ke kunala khona ke eyatshengisa khona ke ungahloniphi uma bengiphendula yona ke inkantolo ngendlela akhulume ngayo ngoba uma kuukuthi ke ngiye lapho ke angidonsela khona ke kuzogcina ke sekungekho ukuhloniphana.
Yes. Now this document was ended up as Exhibit 01, that affidavit of staying.
My lord, from advocates, for Advocate Palo, in what I've heard in court, yes, I'm being told it's beginning, and what I confirm, and that's what I've said then, and I still maintain that it was part of the docket, and it was told to the defense. Because when I was asked about this, it was in relation to the application I was making for this Kelly Kumalo. So I confirm that it was disclosed to the defense because I knew, my lord, that it was used in court.
Mina ke uma esho ke uadvocate Palo ukuthi ngempela ke i-document leli lidlulisiwe enkantolo base unikezwa ke inamba ukuthi ke exhibit 01 mina ke bengikhuluma ngalo ke ngathi ke bengibuza noma ke bengifuna ubufakazi ngesicelo sami engasenza ngaye yena ke uMs Kelly Khumalo.
Sorry, Mr. Baloyi, what time is it?
It's 3:21, my lord.
Yeah, okay, we can adjourn now, Mr. Nisi. The defense, all of it, because it appears nobody reads these records. Can you all go and read Exhibit 01? And all of you will be given an opportunity to cross-examine Brigadier uGininda. Lest we accuse people of falsifying the documents like he's been accused. Let's all, I'm going to read it also. We read page, not page, the record of the 28th of July. That evidence of Colonel Stein. Let's all read it tomorrow. And we can ask any question you want to this witness because that's his evidence. That is basing that evidence on that document. Okay? Let's adjourn until tomorrow. Are you available tomorrow?
So I'm writing my notes tomorrow. So tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm committed.
So you're not in.
I'm only available on Thursday. Friday I'm also committed, and the next Monday. With the exams. So it's only Thursday after today. And then, yes, after today, then Monday I'm not available, but from Tuesday next week, I'm available until the end of time.
So, Mr. Baloyi and the defense, how do you say you must tackle this?
Well, Malak, there are two suggestions. The one suggestion is that we resume on Thursday, just for one day, but the other suggestion is that we adjourn until week after next, when Brigadier uGininda would have finished with his exams, so that we just continue without stopping. We discussed this, there was no agreement amongst my colleagues. Some favor the first suggestion that we sit on Thursday just for one day, then adjourn to the following week. The others feel that we should just today adjourn until the Tuesday after Brigadier uGininda will have finished with his exams.
Now, I'm going to suggest let's sit on Thursday. You're available on Thursday?
Yes, I'm available.
Tomorrow, it's what, Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
You're not available, you're writing exams.
So tomorrow is the start, is the preparation for the exams.
Yeah, for the exams. It's Tuesday, Wednesday. You're not available.
I'm not available.
Thursday?
I am available.
Yeah, okay. We'll adjourn until Thursday. Okay.
This Thursday will be the
21st.
the 21st.
Yeah, November.
Yes.